Hey everybody, in today's quick how-to tutorial, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your key fob for your 2015 or above Kia or Hyundai. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. All right everybody, so we got our key fob here. What you're going to want to do is rotate it on over. There's a little button here on the bottom. You want to push and hold this button in and pull out the key. Now on the edge here is a little lip that you can use to pry open the actual key fob. So there's a little indentation right here. You're going to want to set your key in there and then just kind of rotate it left and right. You can see it popped open the casing. Now you're going to want to run this along the edge, kind of on both sides. Down here, do the same thing, kind of pry left and right, like so. Gently pry it off, like so, and get to the battery. You're going to want to take your key, push it down here in the corner, try to get under that battery, and pry it up like so. So you don't need any tools to remove the key or the battery from the key fob. And you're going to want to replace it with a fresh CR2025 or CR2032 will also work. You're going to want to make sure the positive end is down, the part with all the writing. I insert it at the bottom first and then push it, and it sits into place like so. All right, now you're just gonna have to re-snap these back together. I always make sure the battery one is facing downwards, kind of get them lined up like so, and then I push down on the front till it snaps, and then I do the back. Make sure it's snapped everywhere. Reinsert your key, and you are good to go. That's all there is to replacing the battery and your key fob for your 2015 or above Kia or Hyundai. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button. It helps surface this video to more people interested in this topic, and hope to see you in the next video.